What's happening with Lisa? Okay, so today I'm going to do something a little bit unusual, and I'll get to that in just a second. But I want to give a shout out to Alicia, who made me my new apron. So hopefully, every time you see me now, I'll have my apron on, and you can know that it's what's happening with Lisa. So that's what's going on. Let me get right to what we're getting ready to do. Okay, so Metal Earth, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm making a monster truck. I actually started it yesterday, I think, but you can see kind of what I've done. There's still a whole lot more to do. Um, but I have, these are my tools that I'm using. And actually, that was my dad's tool. But this is what's going on. They are flat metal pieces that you cut out, and I use these nail clippers to get them out. They're usually connected in two spots, and then they just kind of drop out, and then they show you where they want you to fold it. And then there's little tabs, and you can kind of see the little tabs there that you have to bend down to make them one piece. And now I'm going to get ready to get started. So where I left off yesterday, I was on like step 8, and so now I'm going to step 9, and I'm working on this long piece right here. I'm going to probably just pause in between some of these steps because I have to use both hands and my brain and things like that. But that's kind of, I think, the course of action here. And it's tiny. And let's see where I've got to bend it and see what happens. And all of these little things have to be bent. And I have an engraved side and a non-engraved side, and I have to know which direction to bend it in. But this little is a little, well, can't really say it. It's a little bit of a little tab that I have to stick in to the next piece, which is going to be like right here. And there it is. It's not as pretty as it should be, but it's really, I have big fingers, so gosh, it's hard to do. So in your time, nothing went by. In my time, I would say about 5-10 minutes went by. So this is going to be a little bit tedious. If this is something that you want to try out, I would say give it a try and see if you have enough patience for it. This might be the ticket to something to do. The kit was about $14. I think we got it at Hobby Lobby many months ago. Forgot all about it. Now we have it, and we both have one, so we're doing it. But this is, again, it's a little tedious, so I would say get an easy one to start it out with. Okay, so this is where I'm at so far. You can kind of see I've made it from the one page. I've almost made one whole page. So I guess this is my chassis for my truck. So let's see how far I can go. So here's my pieces all together. I still need to get some wheels on there, but it's coming along nicely. It is can be frustrating. It is fun though once you get to a point where you can see, everything. You can see it, so it gets a little more exciting when that happens. Okay, so here I've almost got all my tires all done. I have one more set left because it's 4 tires and I have to do it 8 times. It's real tedious because I have to do the edges all on this. It all has to be bent back. So I'm almost done with the tires. I've got my main frame as I'm wiggling everywhere. I got my main frame completed, and then I just got to put it all together, I guess. Okay, so I'm going to tell you that it has taken me about 5 hours to get to this point. You've only seen it in a few minutes, but I'm getting ready to do the finishing touches. The wheels were crazy hard. Crazy hard. So let's see what it's going to look like. Woo! The finished product. Okay, so it took me 6, because we started at 1, 2, 3, 4. So 12:34. So it's taken me 7 hours. No? Yeah, 7 hours. So here's my finished product. There you go. That's what it looks like. And this is what the picture on the cover looks like. And there you go. What's happening with Lisa? Remember, if you like what you see, hit like. If you have a comment, please leave one. I respond. And hit the bell for notifications so that you know when my next one is out. And again, thanks for tuning in.